Hey there. If you belong to that 80% of the population that deals with low back pain, you're in the right place. Stick around. I'm going to show you a few different poses that you can do that are very beginning friendly, and they can really make a difference so that you can bring some relief into that low back pain. You're going to need a couple of chairs, a few blankets. These chairs, they don't have to be yoga chairs. Any chair will do, and a wall. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Sit facing one of your chairs, and then take a blanket folded as I'm showing and roll that blanket into a very tight cylinder. Once you've wrapped it really tight, bring it to the very top of your thigh, where your top thigh inserts into the pelvis. That's where you want the blanket. Press down with your hands and really lift your torso up. Lengthen your abdomen, your chest up as you press the hands down. From there, you want to try to lengthen your lower back down towards your sit bones and sit bones down. Then take your hands to the other chair, high up onto the backrest, and gently stretch forward. You can look down and concentrate on lengthening the sides. And if possible, then you can bring your elbows, forearms onto the seat of your chair. Try to breathe into the back and take a few moments here. Then you can come up and then add a couple more, maybe even 3 blankets onto your other chair here. And take your feet and knees a little wider apart. Once more, pressing into the roll, lengthen up over it as you bring your hand to the backrest. Then you can rest your forehead on the blankets or your forearms on the blankets with your forehead there. You can also add extra blankets for your head. Next, let's sit facing a wall with your toes very close to the wall, almost touching the wall. Most of your thighs off of the seat of the chair. Sit upright and then take your hands onto the wall and walk your fingers up the wall. Elongate as much as you can your side body up towards your armpits, but drop the hips and the sit bones down so that you can elongate and traction your low back. If you have something that you can hold on to, you can use that to lengthen up, or you can just focus on lengthening the body up. You can look down with the eyes and lengthen the spine as you draw the hips down into the chair. And then sit back up. Slide your chair back a little bit. Take your knees a little wider and lean forward. And if possible, drop your hands down towards the floor. You can always keep your elbows on your thighs as well. If you have room, lengthen and release your torso down, relax your head down, and round the back. Allow the back to open and gently bring yourself back up using your arms to push you upright. Now we'll stand up and turn around to face the chair. With the feet hip width apart, come forward, put your hands on the seat of the chair. And we're going to go into a chair-assisted gentle squat. So as you push the chair forward with your hands, lean back and drop the hips slowly down. Stay within your range of motion and focus on releasing the hips down. Have a seat on the chair once more for a gentle twist. We're taking the feet and the knees over to the right, aligning the knees to our ankles, and then turning, keeping the hips dropping down, sit bones into the chair, and putting the hands on the backrest. Focus on lifting the sides of your torso up. Notice if your shoulders come up towards your ears, and while you exhale, relax the shoulders back down. Keeping the hips, lower back stable, turn and then come back to center for the other side. Take your feet and knees to the left. Keep the hips descending and take your hands onto the backrest. Draw the hips down, especially the one you're turning away from, and then turn towards the back. Lift the front chest up, side body up, and take the time to relax your shoulders. Rotate, turn, breathe. And you can even look over your back shoulder if that feels good. Then come back to center. Widen the knees and the feet once more and lean forward, dropping onto the forearms. And if possible, for another forward bend, drop the arms down, hands down, and relax your head. Focus here on rounding your back, gently stretching the lower back, and then when you're ready, come all the way up. That's it for today's practice. I hope that this class helped you. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Namaste.